What's the essence of going to cyber cafe or business center anytime you want to upload documents? It's time consuming and also money when you can do it right there with your phone. A lot of things, the technology have made things easier for us. Why then are we stressing ourselves? So in this video, I will be showing you how you can achieve that using camscaner. Camscaner can make things easier for you. You can upload documents, you can send any documents to your email instead of going to cyber cafe and waiting for your turn. Instead of going to cyber cafe and wasting time and wasting money, you can do it right there with your phone. Just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download camscaner. Camscaner. So in this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on how you can, the processes on how you can achieve that. Let's go and learn how to do that. Okay, this is a tutorial of how you can be sending a document from your phone to whoever you want to send it to. First of all, you have to download the Yahoo Mail. You go to your App Store or Play Store and download Yahoo, either Gmail or Yahoo, depending on the one you have. Now, I've already have Yahoo Mail on my phone. So for this tutorial, I'm downloading another app for this tutorial. So it has downloaded. Then you have open it. It's loading. When you open it, it's already downloaded on your phone. So you open it. Then you see where you have to enter your email. You enter your email and put your password and then sign in. Once you sign in, it's already on your phone. So you go back and download the camscaner. You go to your Apple Store or Play Store and enter camscaner. So it has come up. The second one, this app, you download it. It's loading. Then wait for it to load and install on your phone. So this is the easiest way to send me stuff going to cyber cafe all the time and wasting your money and time. Let's wait for it to load. It's installing. It has installed. It has installed. Then you click on open it. So once it's opened, so you click on the scan up at the top left side. Once you click on the scan, then you scan anything you want to, any document you want to send via email. So once you scan it, it has taken the picture of the document. Then you save it. See save there. It has saved. So remember, if you want to add more 10 documents, it's very possible. So what you have to do is just to, if you have enough documents, maybe you have 10, even 20 documents, it's very, very possible. It is saved. The one you scanned has saved. So the next thing you have to do, if you want to add another document, is just to click on add. You click on add and take the picture of the document you want to add again. Once you take the picture, you position it very well so that then you save it. It's saved. This is how you'll be doing it. Once you want to take another document, you also click on add. That's how it will be adding. So once you have finished taking the picture of the documents you want to send, you now save it. Once you save it, then you click on the share button there. It will take you to another place. You click on the share button. It will take you to this place, another place, where you will see PDF, Word document, depending on where you want. Since you are sending via, since a document, you have to save it via PDF. You have to click PDF. So once you click PDF, it will take you to a platform where you will see other apps. Then you choose where you want to send it. If you want to send it on WhatsApp, you click. If you want to send it on Gmail, you click. If you want to send it on Yahoo Mail, you click. Now it's already saved on your phone. It's already attached on your mail app, the mail that you have already downloaded and saved. So once it's attached, then you enter the email address of the person you want to send the document to. It's very simple and time consuming. Remember, if you're sending on PDF, also you also have to save download PDF app on your phone so that you can read documents there. Even when you receive documents, you can read it.